Energy. Energy is the ability to work and thus cause some change and transfer some energy into it. Energy is measured in joules. The rate at which the energy is transferred into the object is called power. Hence, power equals energy transferred divided by time. Types of energy. There are two basic types of energy, kinetic and potential. An energy transferred from one object to another due to motion is kinetic energy. For example, hitting a nail with a hammer. The motion of the hammer causes the nail to be pushed inside a stable place. Since kinetic energy is formed from motion of objects, faster an object moves, the more kinetic energy it has. Kinetic energy also depends on the mass of an object. The bigger the object, more is the impact and the energy transferred. Hence, kinetic energy half multiplied by mass, multiplied by speed to the power 2. Potential energy refers to the energy from the shape or position of the object. The object need not be in motion. For example, lifting a pen from the floor to the desk or applying pressure all causes a transfer of energy. Gravitational potential energy related to the object's height. It is the weight of an object multiplied by the height. Elastic potential energy, the energy transferred by compressing or stretching. Energy forms: mechanical, nuclear, thermal, electrical, electromagnetic and chemical are the different forms of energy. Mechanical energy is associated with motion of objects. It is the kinetic energy multiplied by the potential energy. The forms of energy, except for mechanical energy, is associated with the particles or atoms the object is made up with. Nuclear energy is formed when the center of an atom, called nucleus, splits, fission, or joins together. For example, the sun's energy is nuclear energy. Thermal energy is the total of kinetic energy and the potential energy of the particles inside the object. Higher the temperature, higher is the thermal energy. For example, boiling water releases more thermal energy. Electrical energy is the energy of charged particles in an object. For example, lightning is a form of electrical energy. The shock from a metal doorknob. Electromagnetic energy is the energy that travels through space in the form of waves. These waves travel through vacuum, microwave, UV light. Chemical energy is the energy produced due to the breaking of chemical bonds. Energy is released for the body to be used. Energy transformations. Change from one form of energy into the other is energy transformation. There are single and multiple transformations of energy. For example, body transforms chemical energy through intake of food into mechanical energy for movement. Multiple transformations occur when a match strikes the matchbox. The thermal energy caused due to the strike of the match causes the particles in a match to release chemical energy. The chemical energy is transformed to electromagnetic energy when the light is generated by the match. In a falling object, the potential energy is transformed to kinetic energy. A continuous transformation of potential and kinetic energy occurs in a moving pendulum. Law of conservation of energy. According to this law, energy is neither created nor destroyed, nor can it be continuous. The energy is always transformed.